guys, it's another video about slime. I have a special guest. Believe it or not, it's my uncle. Come on.
Hey. Hey there.
Yeah, today I'm gonna be making slime.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna have green paint and glitter. And he's gonna have blue paint and blue glitter. And he's gonna have red paint with red glitter. The red glitter, the red paint is for Joker's blood because he's like Batman.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the glue first, and then the baking soda in the contact.
Like the last video.
Yeah. And by the way, guys, you guys recognize that we're wearing costumes.
Yeah.
I think we need. Okay. Whoa.
That's scary.
Get off makeup. Okay, now we're gonna go mine. And we're gonna pour mine.
Oh,
We're going half tonight.
what?
No, Israel, wait, stop.
Wait.
Not
Yeah,
yet.
wait.
Not yet. Okay. So after we need baking soda, right?
Got some baking soda, yeah.
Baking soda.
First, gonna put a little.
Wait, we can't do this yet. We need a dance party.
Just dance.
Don't make you lose your mind. We just wanna
Now, baking soda time. Come on.
You done?
Okay. So the first you do is glue. Then we do baking soda. Don't put too much.
And then it's gonna mess up completely.
Could be messing up.
Just
Go.
mix it. No, wait, Israel.
First we mix.
Stop mixing. Stop mixing. Stop mixing.
Mix. Keep on mixing it. Mix the baking soda with everything. Then after, we get eye contact. Shake it. And I'm gonna put some.
Yeah.
You're gonna get some. And you're gonna get some.
Make it
Now start mixing. Hey, wait.
We put a little. You start putting a little bit of your color.
After it starts turning into slime, for a little while, start spinning it. You put the color inside.
Mine?
Stop mixing. Stop mixing.
Whoa,
You stop mixing.
whoa. You start mixing, then it's gonna turn to the color. You can use any paint or anything like food coloring, and you can turn it into a different color. Oh,
Yours
whoa.
is not working.
It's not working. Put a little bit more.
Contacts.
Put
Little
more.
bit too much.
Whoa, yours is already turning. Mine's already turning to green.
Mine's already red.
Oh my god. Okay, so that's enough, Ezra. That's enough. Okay.
Mine hasn't formed yet, so it's a bad start.
Mine's already turning into green. Is mine
That's
turning
blue,
into...
blue, blue.
Oh, mine's turning into slime. I think I need a little bit more baking soda.
Yeah, mine's just-
Then
Yeah, a little bit more than mine.
more.
Okay,
Right
don't
now.
worry, Adrian.
And I'm gonna do a little bit more baking. Oh, wait. Where's... No, I already got baking soda.
Oh, contact, no!
I need contact. Okay.
Yeah,
Don't put too much contact or that's gonna mess up. And not too much baking soda.
And that's
Whoa, there's stop. That's too much, buddy.
I think
gonna mess up.
Ezra's gonna be super sticky.
Of course. All the slimes go sticky, Sebastian.
No, not all of them. Some
Yeah,
are
when you're
fluffy.
ready, make them.
My time.
It's turning into slime.
Mine.
It is?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's turning into slime. Sebastian, yours is turning into slime too. Mine is too, but mine's really sticky. Now the next step, you can use glitter or anything else to make it like crunchy and all that. There's like stuff to make it crunchy. And I think we're gonna need some scissors, but
I got you, Ezra. Open it for you. Wait, I got slime in my hands.
Okay. Keep on mixing, gotta keep on mixing, gotta keep on mixing, gotta keep on mixing.
I got you, Ezra.
How do you open it? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. But you need the master to open this? Oh.
No. That would be easy. No! Dropped it.
Here's wall. Okay, we'll open it right now. We just need to keep on mixing. That's the only thing we need to do. Keep on mixing.
Mommy,
Okay, It's okay, though. We'll open it right now, okay?
Just use.
Uh-huh.
Whoa, get back to the bubble.
Whoa. Okay.
I'm Chinese to black. I like black.
Yeah.
Wait.
Start mixing. Just keep on mixing.
La, la, la.
Use your hand yet?
Just make sure you use all the glitter.
Use all the glitter good so you don't waste it.
All of it.
Leave all the leftovers out of it. Then you keep on mixing. Yeah, like I was saying, you can use glitter and everything else to make it crunchy, like to make crunchy sounds and all that. Yeah. And after you're done mixing, use your hand after. When it's like turning into really slime.
You don't need
This
it. You don't
is
need it.
like slime.
This.
What's it? Doesn't.
This is liquidy.
What's it? Doesn't.
There's need more baking soda. It's too liquidy.
Yeah, mine too.
How much you? How much is it?
You see?
So hard.
This is perfect.
That's right. I think you completed yours. Yeah,
That's
you
a
can use your
cool
hand
yours.
now.
Mommy, that's it?
Yeah,
I win?
Cool.
like you did last time. Remember?
I win?
Yeah, you could do it.
Ezra won the challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's.
Stop being mean. So if it keeps on getting liquidy, you can keep on using baking soda. But if it's too hard, use keep on using eye contact.
Wow.
Yeah,
And mine
good
is-
job. He made his slime perfect.
And mine has barely made.
I
Daddy.
don't think mine made yet.
Let's see. I'm get a little piece.
What
Yeah, mine has made. Yeah. Just need a little mix, a little bit more. Mix a little bit more. Mix all of it. Cool. Made it.
Good.
Dude,
What time?
I think I need still more.
You need still more. I made it. Look at it.
What?
I need the same thing.
I won't match it. I want better there.
It's crazy.
It's easy.
Easy, man. Mine's not working, but there it is.
My
I
thing.
gotta keep up with
this.
yours. Oh, mine turned into slime.
Yeah. I
Finally.
touch it.
Hey, don't
I
touch
touch
it.
it.
I think I did.
Mine's too sticky. But it's sticky for more.
Whoa, mine
baking
just got
soda.
out. Mine just got out. I think it's my turn.
No,
to use
you're
it.
making it. Mine
God, I
was a flop.
think it's my turn to use my hands now.
Isa, put more baking soda for me. Mine was too sticky. I never thought this would actually come.
But if it's too sticky, just use this.
No, too sticky.
My turn, Rita.
Look at mine.
I
Mine's
want
like
it.
taking all of it.
Oh, it's so
Okay,
cool.
I'm gonna use mine now. Guys, it feels weird.
Yeah, my turn.
Whoa. I think mine turned into slime or maybe it's an
Yeah.
epic fail.
Or epic. It's a good one. I think Edge is the best one.
Edge is the best one, then mine, I think.
What? Look at yours.
Yeah, because super duper sticky.
My sticky. I win it.
Okay. Guys, it's
Bye.
time to play with it. After you guys are done playing with it, it's gonna turn to real slime. And it's not gonna get sticky no more. And it's gonna get used to you. Yeah.
My
Yes.
time.
Thank you
And-
for watching.
That's it.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
Yeah,
If you
do
like
that.
this video, thank you. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like
Yeah.
Like.
and subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.